The Eastern Cape Department of Agriculture, through the Amathole District, hosted a joint Women Entrepreneur Awards and Extension and Advisory Services Awards event to celebrate excellence, dedication, and the strong partnership between farmers and extension practitioners. For Extension and Advisory Services, Noluvuyo Ngeno congratulated all the farmers and extension officials who participated in the competitions and encouraged them to continue strive for excellence. She urged smallholder farmers to pursue growth and work towards becoming commercial farmers, while acknowledging their valuable contribution to the agricultural sector. She further highlighted the importance of aligning farmers with extension officials in the joint event, noting that this approach provides a clear demonstration of the impact of extension support and the progress achieved through collaboration.